Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Have a Hoot, and this is the sweet little Halloween card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Have a Hoot, and we're going to be using this little owl and Boo. So we're going to do our stamping first. I have a piece of Whisper White, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear block D. All right, and then I have Boo, and that is mounted on clear block A. All right, that is all the stamping we are doing. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Emboss and Cut. I have a piece of basic gray and the large circle from Stitch Shapes. And then I have the little die cut for the owl and the moon. All right, so I'm going to get our little moon right here. And I have the dark Daffodil Delight. I'm just going to give it a quick little color here. And then I like the dark crumb cake for the owl. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my silicone sheet. And my Stampin' Seal. And then I'm going to put this piece, let's see, right there in the middle, and the moon right there. Excuse me. I'm going to come in with my paper snips, and I'm just going to cut off Boo. So just like that. And I just want it right here. Actually, I think I'm going to pop it up rather than rather than glue it straight down. So just like that. And now we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of Magic in This Night Designer Series paper. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of the black glitter paper. And I'm just going to butt it up here, just like that. Give it a good rub down. Oops. Then we'll put some adhesive on the back of here. And our card base is basic black. And it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. Just like that. And then I have some stars from all the trimmings embellishment. And I'm just going to add a few to my card here. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!